why they should listen to you, right? That's why it's important that you always demonstrated why the audience are in the right place listening to the right person. So whether you choose, your bits of credibility, your CV, like, I've got 10,000 hours of speaking globally, written 5 books, 2 of them bestsellers, right? Or you choose your story of your credibility, it's essential part of the buying process when people see you speak, because that way people are starting to get why you're the person standing on stage, right? You've had this cool opening, you've displayed that you get their problem. Now it's like, why are you that person standing on stage? Hence the earn the right. Well, I'm the person standing on stage. Here's why. Credibility, 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 right? So it's prove why the audience, should listen to you. It demonstrates your mass credibility. And of course, ultimately, it's that extra layer that's getting them to buy into you more and more and more. So that's why step 3, earn the right, is really important and essential, as all steps are, but just so you understand how it works. You've had your opening, get some thinking. You demonstrated the problem, right? So again, you're showing that you get them, and now you're demonstrating why you're the person to talk about that. So that's what we're doing there as well, right?